It's your boy Yo Joe, and I'm going to cold start the Stihl. It's getting colder out now, so this thing hasn't been started in 2 weeks. I have the shredder on, but I'm not gonna really shred anything. I know somebody wanted me to, but there's really nothing because I have like rock driveway right now, so the rocks, I tried it once and the rocks kept hitting in. I'm like, oh, forget it. So yeah, but that's why, and I never changed it back yet. But you know, it's the end of the year, and there's all the leaves are pretty much gone almost. I don't know, but I'm just gonna forget about it. Maybe winterize it next weekend or something. But the weed whackers, the Echo, it's put away for the year, and the snowblower, I'm not probably gonna get it this year. I might, because it's still at one of my grandpa's houses, and I might start it there and just use it in the backyard or something. But I'm not sure. I'm not going to bring it here until next year because there's no need. Our driveway's not done until, you know. So let's just get this thing started, okay? All right. All right, there we go. There we go. Should be good. All right, let's go. Give it 3 primes. That's good. Choke. All right, let's see. All right, see you later, guys.